Free traffic from traffic exchanges. Now, this topic is going to be a little controversial. And the fact of the matter is that the traffic from these sites is usually pretty poor. But if you have an offer that's geared towards affiliates or other marketers, these traffic exchanges, they may be worth checking out and they may be worth your time. Now, I don't recommend buying the upgrades at these sites or spending too much time at these sites. There are better paid traffic options out there and better uses of your time. Now, that being said, I can't deny that these sites are popular. They're popular with webmasters and they can help you get some free traffic to your site. So there's going to be 5 of them that we're going to be looking at. They're going to be Traffic Swarm, Traffic G, Easy Hits for You, I Love Hits, and the Start Exchange. And the first one we'll look at here is Traffic Swarm. It's free to get started. You can get some free traffic just by joining their site and taking advantage and setting up things so that you can get some free traffic. And I'll take you over to Alexa. Alexa is used to judge the popularity of a website. And you can see that out of the millions and millions of sites, Alexa ranks this site 3,326 in the United States. And the way that they judge that, it's an estimate of the site's popularity, okay? And you can see that it's combined by average daily visitors and how long people stay on their site. So it really is, it's a popular site. And if you do, you can get some free traffic from a site like Traffic Swarm. Another site is Traffic G. It's another traffic exchange. If you have some free time, okay, where you're not doing much, or if you have an outsourcer that you pay very little, they could go ahead and work these traffic generation sites for you. Their traffic exchanges kind of. You send a person, you get a person from another site. But you also, usually when you join these sites, you can get some free referrals. And you can see, we'll check over at Alexa, and Traffic G, it's ranked 4,320th in the United States, which is just amazing. Easy Hits for You is another one, okay? You can get hits to your website, visitors to your website, for next to nothing or no money at all, okay? Another popular site is I Love Hits. If we check Alexa, Easy Hits for You ranked 1,277th in the United States. Think about that. That is a very popular site that you can get free traffic from. Like I said, don't spend too much time on these free traffic exchanges, but in your free traffic marketing plan, using these free traffic exchanges, like I said, if you have an offer that's geared towards affiliates or geared towards internet marketers, or if you offer some sort of service, these traffic exchanges, they really could help you get some targeted traffic to your website. So I do recommend that you check them out. Just make sure you don't spend too much time on them.